A lot of people struggle to build and create high converting ads. In fact, video ads can take a long time to produce and can be very costly. All of that while not even knowing if it will be worth the effort. This is not your fault. Building high converting ads can be a challenge. However, don't you worry, because in this video, I will show you the top photo ads that convert like crazy in 2024. Stick around until the end because I'll be showing you how to effortlessly create them midway through the video. Photo ads are one of the easiest ways to advertise on Facebook. In fact, they're easy to produce, easy to change, and easy to play around with. You don't need to find influencers, ship the product to them, wait till it arrives, send them the script, and then the endless back and forth for the final version. Now, I'm not saying you don't need video ads, but if you're not utilizing the advantages of photo ads, then you're strongly missing out. In fact, I have a brand that is consistently making 15 to 20K a month that is only running on photo ads. But today, I will show you the top photo ads in the market that are being used by big multi-million brands. Before we get into it, smash that subscribe button because this video is part of a longer playlist where I share my game-changing strategies absolutely for free. Grab a cup of coffee, grab your computers, and let's dive right in. Photo style number 1, social proof images. Seeing others loving your product builds trust and makes people more likely to buy. Think about it. Nobody likes making a risky buy, but when they see others loving what you offer, then it's kind of like a green light for them. It's like a pat on the back that they're making the right decision. They feel safer, more confident, and ready to take that next step. Now, not all reviews are good reviews. Let's take a look at some reviews that are more on that good side than the bad side. As you can see over here, Rise Mushroom Coffee is a very, very big brand. And you can see in this photo ad, it is doing two things. It is putting a review, but it also has like a big bold statement, heal gut inflammation. So we understand directly what this product will do for us. But also if you look into the review, it's very carefully chosen. So you can see, love my mushroom chicory. I wasn't able to purchase it for a few months and I could definitely feel the difference. Been drinking it again for about a month and it has definitely helped with my digestive issues and my energy is back. So as you can see, it is covering the 3 main pain points of that target audience. Number 1, there is such a difference between having this product in your life and not having this product in your life. Number 2, digestive issues, which is also reinforced by the bold statement, heal gut inflammation. And number 3, the energy is back. So obviously you cannot just put any review like, oh, this product changed my life and expect it to work, because it's not detailed enough. It has to really touch on the points that you're trying to show and the benefits and the features of your product in that review photo. Now let's take a look at another example. Now I chose this photo from Yule, which is another very big multi-million brand, but you can see the different style of this review. It's not the typical review, and that's why I wanted to show you guys. It's very organic. It feels like it's made on Instagram with the Instagram fonts and such, and it's very easy, you know, with the emojis and very easy to read, but you can see that it's very strong. I had no idea my breakfast could make me feel this energized. So what are we trying to say over here? That this product will give you so much energy and definitely feels organic and calls attention. Now let's take a look at third photo that I'm showing from Happy Mama. They do an exceptional job because you can see over here, I went from a size 12 to a size 4 effortlessly, and then you can see down on the left, a 4.7 star review. 98% of reviewers would recommend this product to a friend. So really emphasizing on the social proof behind this product. So anyone looking to lose weight, you know, seeing this photo and seeing the amount of people that are recommending this to a friend is more pushed to press that buy button. So whenever you're doing a review photo, make sure you put a review that is carefully crafted with the pain points that your customer is going through. So like that, they can feel related and they can feel like, oh, this is what I want. This product is going to be the solution for me. And then go to your website and get you that sale. Style number 2, and this is one of my favorite ones, is the offer app. This works crazy good if you have an irresistible offer. Let's take a look at what that means. This photo from Yule does this brilliantly. A week of lunches for under $20. That's absolutely crazy, just to think that you can survive on $20 worth of food for an entire 7 days. You can see over here $2.5 per meal for 34 meals, 27 vitamins and minerals, 40 grams of protein, and then free t-shirt and shaker. So you can see that this offer is absolutely irresistible, and Yule is showing all of that very nicely, because it's not only showing you that it's really cheap, it's also showing you the amount of proteins you're getting and the amount of vitamins you're getting. And on top of that, not only is it just cheap, they're adding in a free shirt and shaker. This is fantastic and has been running for a while, and the reason why is because they're really showing their offers just in a photo ad. This second photo by Hi Smile, we all know and love this brand for the whitening of your teeth. You can see a buy one V34 color corrector, get one for free. So definitely the free is emphasized and absolutely very big, and that's what I want you guys to do. If you're offering anything for free, make sure to leverage this kind of ad. And you can also see a before and after. So not only are they just showing the offer, but they're also showing the results you can get with this product. And here Hi Smile does it again. Buy one electric toothbrush, get 5 flavored toothpaste for free. You can see again the free and the 5 are highlighted in green. This is all carefully crafted, and we always have to think in that way when we're doing our photo ads. Now I want to show you also another type of offer ad. These are great for retargeting, and if you're not using them in retargeting, you're probably missing out a lot. Normally in retargeting, what you should do is offer some kind of incentive for them to take that extra push. You know, you're retargeting all of the people that added to cart but didn't buy. So they're interested in your product, but there's something that's not allowing them to go, you know, that extra mile. It can be that social proof images help your customers take that extra step in retargeting, but also offer ads that goes very well. Giving them an extra 10% or 20% in retargeting really gets the job done. So you can see over here, Lemmy by the famous Kardashian is doing this pretty well. Save up to 20% when you bundle and subscribe. Lemmy Shop, very easy to do. So yeah, if you have some nice photos of your product, you can do this pretty easy. Now over here, True Classic, we all know this brand. It has been all over social media. They're doing the same in their retargeting strategy, and they're offering free shipping. So they're giving free shipping to these people that have added to cart but not went to the last place, which is actually converted. So you can see free shipping. If you're new to wearing True Classic, then you need to check this out. So review and offer. Sometimes you can combine both of these and really get outstanding results. Style number 3 is an us versus them. You have to show your product against competitors and why you are the clear choice. Over here, True Classic, you can definitely see the before and after. You can see the wire t-shirts suck, so definitely bashing on the customer. Other brands, and then you can see the boggy fit, you know, color fades, itchy fabrics, and then on the True Classic side, you can see a very nice fit and highlight arms and chest, extra room around belly and abs, ultra soft cotton blend. So very well done visually. Without even reading this, you can understand why True Classic is the clear choice. They do it again over here, and they do it pretty well. This ad has been running for over a year, and you can see look good, feel good, smell good, and they definitely have exaggerated the part with the sweat stains on the other brands. They probably put some kind of coffee, but visually that's what we need to do. We need to create an impact. But yeah, it's definitely something to think about over here. You know, the handsome guy smelling good, looking good while doing sports, and the other guy suffering with the sweat stain. Over here, Rise as Well does it pretty well. No more insomnia, and then it says low calories, delicious, tasty, good for your bowel and gut, sleep support, stress relief. And on the other side, you can see bloating, digestive issues, hidden sugars and calories, insomnia and irritability. And you can see something I want to point out in this photo. You can see that the versus the other one, the other side, is in black and white, so very dull colors, whereas Rise, it's all like yellow. It's very you know, alive, and it definitely is done, you know, that on purpose. So whenever you're doing an us versus them, you want to do the same. You have to really put a contrast between, you know, your part of the brand in the image and the other part of the, like, the visually, it has to make sense. It has to show show like very obviously which one is the best choice. I want to show you also another type of us versus them, which is not necessarily you against the competitor, but you against yourself. So you can see over here, old me versus new me. So old me, I had digestive issues, destroys teeth, brain fog, and 1.5 hours of energy maximum. And then new me, healthy gut, clean teeth, laser focus, and 6 hours of energy. So anyone who is trying, maybe they took a New Year resolution and they're trying to become a better them, they see this ad and they definitely feel like, oh, like that kind of feels like me, I'm having some digestive issues. Well, this product is going to be the solution, and I'm gonna transform into someone, that is laser focused, 6 hours of energy. So taking the customer onto this futuristic them is brilliant. Uwell does this as well. Old me, it obviously doesn't show the McDonald's side, but we can recognize McDonald's, fast food, and instant regret, super greasy, lacks essential nutrients, and then using their product, you get like super healthy, whole food, all of that. And same concept. Basically, if you are trying to become a better you and you see this ad, you can see, okay, time to pick better habits, and what better way to start than this with this brand that is all over my social media. Another photo style that works very, very well is a bold statement. A bold statement is basically saying the main feature or benefit of your product just in bold and very concisely and brilliantly. So you can see over here, Lemmy does this well. Reduce visceral body fat in 12 weeks. Now, one tip about bold statements, if you put a number in there, it works even better. If you put a time frame, 12 weeks, 2 weeks, it gives an idea to the customer exactly when will they get the result they want. You can see over here that Lemmy does this pretty well. And then Happy Mammoth does this as well. Obliterates bloating and gas in 29 minutes or less. So you can see, the time bolded statement that works very, very well. And then you can also have some bold statements that don't necessarily have the timing in there, but you are showing what your product is about in 3 to 4 words. So like breakfast, but faster. For Yule, we understand that this product is basically food and nutrients, but we just have to drink it. They do this again over here, tasty, not pricey. So emphasizing on their offer. And in fact, they put their offer down there, 3.76 per meal. Rise does this super well with their mushroom hot cocoa, no more sleepless nights. So we directly understand what this product will offer me if I get it. Now, the next photo ad style I'm going to talk about is pretty used in product pages and in ads, and it's called a listicle. A listicle is basically putting your product and then deciding carefully what kind of elements you really want to point out. So you can see over here, it's really pointing out the soft bristles for effective cleaning. It's pointing out as well the 3 powerful cleaning modes and the built-in timer for convenience. So you can see that these are not random. These are carefully chosen, and that's what you need to do. You cannot just put, comes in 3 colors if that's not one of the most important facts that you have about your product. I would just put the most and highlight the best benefits in their strategic. So you can see over here, Happy Mammoth does it pretty well. Supports gut health, promotes collagen levels, reduces occasional bloating, supports skin, hair, nail joints. So definitely the best of the best features that this product has. Now, as I promised you guys, I will show you exactly how you can build these out. So let me show you a secret tip that I use that these big brands are using as well. So my secret weapon to building these amazing photo ads is canva.com. It gives amazing templates absolutely for free. So if you click on over here on create a design and you click on custom size, we're gonna go for a 1x1. So I like to put 180 by 180 and create new design. So you can see over here there are tons of templates that we can use. So for example, the listicle, we can put benefits in here, and you can see that there are tons of templates that come out. So look at this one. We kind of recognize this one, and it does feel a bit similar to the one we saw of Fuel. We can put the bold statement over here. If you put product benefit or different keywords, you can also see that you get way more templates that you can take advantage of. You can just replace your product in the middle and then change up the text. You can also change these arrows if you want to put different arrows in there. So let me show you how to do that. You can click on elements and then go to arrows, and you will see tons of arrows that you can play around with. So let's say I want to put something a bit, more curvy that matches my brand. I can put this, and let's say I want to put the color that is like more, this kind of red. Now this is a bit more interactive and feels less boring than this white one. You can take the templates as a base and then play around with them as much as you want. You can find over here all the different templates we've talked about so far. So even an us versus them, you can see there's some that are more in the pro version, which I would highly recommend when using Canva. But there are also some that are absolutely for free that you can take as a base and then edit them as you wish. So yeah, pretty easy to build them on Canva. The most important thing is just to carefully understand what you are putting inside these photo ads and design them in a nice and attractive way. I also wanted to show you guys some other funny photo ads that you can get really creative with, and they work. So one of them over here you can see is just a meme, you know, a funny meme that will fit brilliantly and organically into the customer's feed, and that's what we're trying to do in this photo ad. So True Classic does this. You can see kind of someone turning into a clown. It's just a shirt. I can get a pack of boxy tees for $5. I love how I look and feel in these $5 tees. I don't need to get up to 70% off at True Classic. So definitely making the person feel like a clown for not taking advantage of this amazing offer, right? Another one over here, it's very nice because, you know, people will actually stop and want to read what's in these notes, not realizing it's an ad. You can see why I'm ditching my regular toothbrush for this in 2024. When you buy one, you get one for free. 3 awesome colors, rechargeable with 3 modes of power. So definitely, you know, the check marks on the notes of your iPhone, that calls attention. Hi Smile does this pretty well. My $10 teeth whitening, and again, the check marks with a nice attractive photo of their product. So there are tons and tons of ways of doing creatives right with photo ads. Make sure to use these on your next creative test and let me know about the results. In fact, speaking about creative tests, my next video will show you step by step on how to test these creatives. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, put that notification bell on so you don't miss out. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all next week.